Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, we did see a diverge, and we're still nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, and we're at overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the daily chart, we have reached to positive MACD, and we're nearing overbought condition with the RSI. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $54.96, and that is this range here, and that coincides with resistance in the past, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support. My sell target for it is at $60.11, and my stop loss is at $53.01. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $61.14, and my sell target for it is at $57.02. My stop loss is at $62.22, so whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 67% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 5.3%, and as for a downside, we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 5.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.